Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both iPhones. Make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi network and plugged in because backups need stable power and connection. Next, update Viber and iOS so compatibility won't block transfer. Sign into the same Apple ID for iCloud access. Open Viber on the source phone and run a manual backup to iCloud. This ensures all messages and media are captured. Once done, keep the phone nearby and move to the target iPhone. On the target iPhone, install and open Viber, then verify the same phone number. This links your account. When Viber detects an iCloud backup, choose Restore Chat History. This pulls messages and attachments from the backup file. While the restore runs, stay on the same Wi-Fi, keep the app foregrounded, and avoid switching accounts. Interruptions can corrupt the process. Once the app finishes restoring, your conversations and media will appear. Give it a few minutes for large attachments to finish by scanning through chats to confirm messages and media arrived. If something's missing, try re-downloading attachments or ask the sender to resend. If the backup was not found, make sure iCloud Drive is enabled and Viber has permission to use it. Also verify the backup completed on the source phone. If problems persist, restart both iPhones and retry the restore. As a last resort, contact Viber support with backup timestamps. This helps them trace failed restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.